One of those SUV-sized drones just crashed in a New Jersey backyard. They're as big as cars. Okay, this is hitting a little too close to home now. After a month of bizarre drone activity throughout New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia, even Connecticut, and Maryland, D.C. now, with seemingly no answers or resolution, one drone crashed into a New Jersey resident's backyard last night. Thankfully, the aircraft, which went down in Packanock Township in Morris County, happened to be a hobby or a toy type of drone, not a large commercial or military-grade drone, the police department said. However, officials believe that the drone was one of many copycats that have been swarming around. Shortly after the crash, Ryan Hurd, mayor of Packanock, arrived at the scene to personally investigate the situation. While he confirmed to the Post that the aircraft was not one of the SUV-sized drones people have been noticing, he maintained that nobody knows whose drones are flying over us and what they're flying over us for and where they're taking off and landing. Drones are flying over our houses, which are our private property, continued. My family is here. This morning, Hurd made it clear that all residents should avoid any interaction with these drones. Though it's tempting for us Jersey folk to take matters into our own hands at this point, it's probably best we don't go shooting any of these aircraft down. We can't be putting up Class 1 and Class 2 drones trying to follow these drones, Hurd said, per the Post. God forbid something happens and it crashes into the big drone, and the big drone crashes into a house and doing away with people in the house. That's going to be a problem. This is from Vice on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.